Hey guys, how's it going? It's Amanda. So I went out and picked up a set of the new Sonos One smart speakers. Now these have Alexa built into them, and they have some differences from the old Sonos that you need to learn about, and they also have some things that if you're an Alexa user that you definitely need to know. So stay tuned because there might be some useful info for you, and if you are not looking for that and you just want to learn about these, stay tuned for that as well. Now I did not need any more speakers, I didn't need any more smart speakers, I didn't need any more Alexa devices because I have a ton of those as well. But I have recently picked up the Sonos for my living room, specifically the play bar, which I have underneath my TV, and I also paired up the sub with that. And so these can be used in surround sound behind you, or you can just use them in separate rooms, however you feel that you will be best suited with them. But that's something no other smart speaker can do, and I personally am absolutely in love with these. Right now, if you pick up two of them, they have lowered the price $50. Instead of $400 for two of them, you can get them for $350. That's to compete with Apple's new HomePod, which I also have on pre-order if you want to check that out later. But if you buy them from Amazon, you only get a $50 gift card. Now, you can buy the older Play Ones for only $150 each, or you can buy two of them for $200 and get the $50 gift card. Or down here, I found a company that is selling them for $49, and there's zero taxes. At least here I am in Texas, there's no taxes here, so it's exactly $349, and you don't have to worry about paying the $400 up front and then getting a gift card back. It just was straight up $349. So that's a really great deal if you are looking to buy two of them. Or maybe you just want to get into Sonos and you want to save a little bit and just get the $150 speaker. You can always use these with Echo Dots or any other Amazon Alexa speakers that you have to voice control them or play music on them. That's something they've updated, which is great. But this new speaker has it built into it. So it basically looks very similar to the old one, except for now the white is on top and in the center panel. It used to be kind of a silver color, and now they have just a monochrome look to them, and it looks really nice in my opinion. On the top, the control buttons now are touch sensitive, so you can tap or swipe on them. You have Alexa for voice control, obviously, and that microphone up there, you can mute it at any time so it just stops listening to you. On the back, you have your Ethernet port and your pairing button, and on the bottom, I didn't show it, but they have removed the, I guess it was a 1/4-20 threaded speaker stand mount. Now they just have to sit on the speaker stands. So these give you great sound out of one small speaker, and you don't need a pair of them or two of them. You can start off with just one speaker, and any version of the speaker is going to sound great. But if you want to pair two of them up and have left and right sound out of them, you need two identical speakers. So you either need two of the old versions or two of the new versions, but you cannot pair an old one with a new one. And I kind of don't like that. I think they should have allowed you to pair your old one with a new one, so you just had to buy one new one if you had one already. And you can still use an old one in your system with a new one, but you're just not going to be able to pair them for stereo sound with the old and new versions. So you need two identical ones. Okay, so that was a tip for previous Sonos owners, and now this one is for Alexa owners. If you have several different Alexa devices in your house, you may think they all run and work just the same, but there's some differences, like drop-in, which basically, if you don't know what that is, drop-in is like an intercom system through your Alexa devices. You can pick up your phone and talk to your kids upstairs and say dinner's ready, or you can just check in on your camera, make sure your dog's not tearing up anything, or things even like multi-room audio that Amazon allows. This all can only be done by Amazon's own Alexa devices. It's not going to work with any third-party speakers that just happen to have Alexa built in. So here you can see I have the app, and this is multi-room audio through Amazon. So basically you can set up what seems like a Sonos system in your home on the cheap through Amazon, but it's only going to work with their devices, not third-party speakers that have Alexa built in. So for those of you who are new to Sonos, these are Wi-Fi speakers. So if you are streaming music to here and you leave with your phone, it doesn't disconnect. Or if you get a phone call, you can still listen to music and you can listen to it through your whole house in different rooms. You can really control it a whole lot. And there are so many different services that work with this. And also they're getting ready to support AirPlay 2 soon. So that's an awesome feature to see coming soon. So do I advise you to buy the new Sonos One? Well, it really depends. If you're looking for a nice, easy to use setup that is very easy to pair and very easy to control, then yeah, they work great, they sound great. If you just want whole home audio, you may just add Amazon Echoes to your system or Echo Dots. But if you want a TV setup, then Sonos is the way to go. If you already have the older Play One and you just want to be able to voice control it, don't buy the new one, just add an Echo Dot and you can still control your older Play One with your voice without buying a whole new $200 speaker. So guys, that wraps it up for today's video. I'll have links down below for the new Sonos One, the Play Ones, the Echo Dot. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.